Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a payment proof from a website I recently spoke about. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to view this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then I'm in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. So in today's video, I'm not going to explain about the website. If you want to know how we got here, you can simply watch this video. That is a step-by-step tutorial of everything that you need to know. So I'm simply going to go straight to the point. The website says complete paid task from anywhere in the world. This is available in all countries. It further says become a tasker to qualify for paid tasks today. So I'm simply going to log into my account and start sharing with you guys some of the things that you need to know. So as you can see, it says welcome back Mpho, and also my surname right there. As you can see, the balance says $20. It says new task will be available soon. The website that I'm talking about is called Taskverse. I have spoken about this website, so we're simply going to go over some of the approved images that I have. So I'm simply going to come to task and then see how many images I got approved for. As you can see, there are no available tasks, but I have a previous task that I completed, and this is the task that I completed. Here it says action photos and up to $20 for 10 images. These are images that can be in your camera roll as long as they meet their requirements. It can be images that you would have left in your camera roll. It can be images that you would have maybe posted on social media. It does not necessarily mean that when you're going to be participating or when you're going to be taking this project or completing this task, you need to take new pictures. It can be pictures that you already have. So I'm going to click here. So as you can see, status says approved, total submitted, completed. The balance is 0. So the balance is 0 because I already got my money. Since you could see on the home page here it says, let's just go back here, it says $20. So I'm just going to show you guys the payment proof, but they already communicated with me way before they could send me the money that all my images were approved. So I'm simply going to say Taskverse. So these are messages from Taskverse. Before we go to the approved images, I just want to show you guys some of the images that I got rejected for. As you can see on the 28th of September, if you could see right there, they sent me an email that unfortunately your submission for action photo has been rejected. So I needed to fix certain things. I needed to take new pictures. I needed to resubmit certain pictures and all of those things. So even if maybe an image is rejected, they're still going to give you time to actually fix your mistakes. So let's just come here to the message they send me way before they can send me my amount. So here it says, thank you for your participation in our action photos project. We have carefully reviewed your submission and would like to provide you with an update on the status. It further says you have successfully submitted total of 10 images. Our team has thoroughly reviewed all the images and we are pleased to inform you that 10 images have been approved. Congratulations on having more than the required minimum of 4 approved pictures or images. You can expect a payment of $20 for 10 images that have been approved. So they told me that my payment will be available on October 5, 2023. This is the message I received 2 days ago. And then as we come here, they did indeed send the payment on the exact date. So as you can see here, this was 10 hours ago. This was October 5, 2022 at around 2 a.m. Here it says Task Us Holding sent you $20. I'm just going to scroll down. This is the payment that I received in my PayPal account. As you can see here, it says Taskverse Freelancer Payout. And then I'm going to go to my PayPal just to confirm that I received the payment. So I'm just going to log into my PayPal account just to confirm that the money is indeed in my PayPal account. So I'm just going to log into my account. I'm just going to log account and then confirm that the money is in my. So as you can see here, the money is in my account. Payment date was 5 October 2023, 2:22 a.m. $20 is the amount that I received. Link will be down in the description box. Thank you guys for